Hey there, it's Kieran from Beachside Personal Trainers, and I have a fun hands-on video for you today. It's a mini mobility test, and it's designed to show you how flexible your body is and how well it moves through some of your major muscle groups. All you need are two simple pieces of equipment, a doorway and something like a lightweight stick, broomstick, about 1 meter long. Before I demonstrate it, let me introduce myself for you. If you don't already know me, I'm Kieran and I help busy mums get in the best shape of their lives with my coaches at Beachside. So this test only takes a couple of minutes, but it will give you some solid information on how you're doing with your mobility. This is really important because having a body that can move through pain-free in a full range of motion can set you up for an improved day-to-day performance pretty much in everything that you do. Both now and into the future. So let's get started. What you need to do is find a doorway that has some open space on both sides. This is going to be a bit difficult so that your dowel can easily move from side to side without bumping into things. So with your stick nearby, sit cross-legged on the floor with one foot on either side of the door jamb. What you need to do is sit with your back nice and straight, just in a natural seated position. Now grab your stick and put it across your collarbones. So, two sides are pretty even. I'm going to move mine a little bit as we go. Hold the dowel with your arms, so just cross at your wrist here, forearms sitting on your chest, so it's just nice and comfortable. Now we're ready for the mobility test. From here, what you want to do is rotate your body to one side all the way until the dowel touches the wall. And then repeat in the other direction. I have to move mine out of the way. So that your body doesn't dip or lean or bend, and just make sure to breathe. So do this for a few reps and notice how your body feels. If you are able to easily touch the walls, fantastic. It means you have good mobility. But if it was challenging to touch the wall or you weren't able to do it at all, it's a sign that you might need to work on it. This is incredibly important because rotational moves like this are some of the first to be affected by the aging process. Also, if you felt any pulling or discomfort in the upper back or shoulder area, that's also an area that tends to get less mobile as you get older and could probably use a little attention. So, how did you do? Try it and let me know. Drop me a comment below or send me a message. And if you'd like any more help with any of your health, fitness and wellness, drop me a message. I'd love to help out.